changed your mind or ready to connect with someone on Instagram? Learn how to easily unblock an account and allow them to interact with you again. If you've previously blocked someone on Instagram and now wish to unblock them, the process is simple. Unblocking an account will allow them to see your profile, posts, and stories again, and they will be able to send you direct messages. They will not be notified that you've unblocked them. So, from the app, first go to your profile. Then tap on the three straight lines at the top right. In the Settings and Activity tab that opens up, scroll down for a sec. You should find an option labeled Block. Tap on it. There, you'll be able to see every account that you've blocked. Select the account you want to unblock. And in the confirmation prompt, select Unblock. And just like that, you'll be done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!